Everybody dreams of making money from all kind of emerging opportunities in the world. Either it is Bitcoin trading, crypto trading, highest level of Bitcoin nowadays has happened. So everybody dreams of making money from the Bitcoin trading. Always remember one thing, my dear students, your life will always respond you whatever you deserve. It will never respond whatever you want. Okay? Whatever you deserve, you will get that. I strongly believe success needs blood, sweat, and tears. If you are going to give your absolute everything, of course, no matter at which kind of Bitcoin or any kind of trading pair is at, you will always make money in your profitable pair. Either it is Bitcoin, either it is gold, or any kind of pair, you are going to make absolute highest level of amount of money from your trading. Many people think that if they invest big money in the market, they can make a lot of money from that money. But I don't agree with them. I believe if you invest in yourself, I believe if you invest in your learning, you can make a lot of money even if you have small amount of deposits, right? I strongly believe time is money invested wisely. A billionaire and a beggar both have 24 hours a day, but utilization of time is really different. Wherever you are spending your 24 hours a day, it really depends upon your productivity, and it is really important for your future planning and for your future as well. If you are going to invest your 24 hours a day with smart thinking and with smart movements and investing it in great ideas, believe me, you can make a lot of money from any kind of opportunity, either it is Bitcoin trading or something like that. Welcome to the Smart Forex Academy. You are here to become pro trader, and I have given my absolute everything in this highest ever profitable strategy in crypto trading for the Bitcoin. Everybody dreams of making money from Bitcoin. I have seen many peoples who put money in Bitcoin and then they left off for many days. Now this strategy is different. If you want to do the same, you can do the same, but this strategy is different because here you will be able to trade on daily basis, even on 5-minute time frame. If you want to do, you can do that. Even on 15-minute time frame, 1 hour, 4 hour, whatever time frame you would like to do, you can do that. My this strategy contains about 85 to 90% of the win rate, and the best thing is that it really gives awesome opportunities whenever you sit in front of your laptop or PC, so you can get your output. I believe if you come in front of your laptop or PC, then you should get your output by the trading. So time is money invested wisely. This is the most important ever thing whatever you imagine. My dear students, here in this strategy I am going to teach you highest ever profitable strategy for crypto trading for Bitcoin. So all of important pairs including Bitcoin, Ripple, Ethereum, and those which are all of important, you can trade with them and you can make a lot of money from intraday trading. Either if you want to trade on daily basis, you will be able to make a lot of money. One thing I want to clarify you guys, there are two types of things in trading. One is educational stuff and other one is live trading. By educational stuff I mean to say, if you buy thousands of courses, reports, indicators, stuff like that, strategies, and if you watch many YouTube tutorials. But remember something, if no one is never going to teach you how to trade in the live market, you are never going to make even a single cent, because live trading is really important and it's the heart of your trading, right? This is really important. So here in this strategy, we are only going to focus on in live trading. And how easy is that? Once you will enroll it and once you will see that, your mind is going to be blown away that how easy, simple is this setup, in a how beautiful way this strategy is going to work like a charm. Simple, easy, to the point, most ever reliable strategy, no big rocket science, just simple, easy, just take it easy. I believe this is the highest ever profitable strategy for Bitcoin crypto trading, because here risk to reward ratio is really great one. For example, if your risk is, I would say, 10 pips, your reward is going to be 100 pips. So more than 10 times is going to be your reward. And this is really very simple and huge important and highest ever important strategy for crypto trading in Bitcoin. I'm sure that all of you guys are going to love this strategy. There is a saying, if your son is hungry, don't give him fish, just teach him how to hunt the fish. Basically, that means whenever you learn a skill in your life, that means you can become financial freedom. If you are going to follow up certain parameters, if you are going to follow up important things in your life, you can become a financial free person, but with a lot of hard work and a lot of effort, not in a single day, because there is no quick rich scheme in life. You need to give your blood, sweat and tears and absolute everything for getting success in your life. My dear students, if you follow up this strategy for a long time with proper discipline and everything, with proper calculations, you can make a lot of money from this strategy. So let's see what we are going to learn from this strategy, step by step, complete guide on this strategy. Okay, so let's start it. So my dear students, let's take a quick outlook that what we are going to learn from this course, the highest ever profitable strategy for Bitcoin intraday trading, for crypto trading. What we are going to learn out from this course, a complete step-by-step guide, a complete step-by-step introduction of this course, okay, so that you guys should know what you are going to cover up from my this strategy. First of all, we are gonna see disclaimer, then this is the course introduction, then we will see how we can download our system and how we can install that, right? After that, we are going to cover up strategy introduction. What is strategy? It's complete introduction, simple to the point, extremely easy. I have given my absolute everything to explain it in a very simple steps, okay? As I always believe in simple to the point trading, so you cannot expect some big rocket science or difficult charts, okay? I always keep my charts very simple, and this strategy is really simple to the point. After strategy introduction, we will see how we can take our buy entry with proper stop loss, take profit. Simple, that's it. No complicated stuff. Buy entry, how to take buy entry, stop loss, take profit. Then we will see how to take our sell entry, stop loss, take profit. That's it. These are really important steps. So both of these two are really important and they are going to help us a lot as well. In the third step, we are gonna see how we can do our trading plans, okay? Now this system comes up with alerts as well, so you can get email alerts as you want, or you will get also push notification on your Android phone, okay? And then we will see important pairs. I will also give you broker gives which allows you to trade on Bitcoin 24/7, okay? So in the last, we are gonna see our trading plan, how we can make our trading plans, how we can set up our email alerts, okay? Email alerts, complete guide, and then pair selection. Which pairs are really important for this strategy? Step by step, everything is explained in full guide, so that you guys should understand and you should learn it in a very easy way. Let me repeat you again. Disclaimer, course introduction, Download the system and install it. Complete guide, strategy introduction, buy entry, sell entry, okay, trading plan, email alerts, and pairs. My dear students, you won't believe once you have enrolled this strategy how much easy and how much brilliant is this strategy. Simple to the point, highly profitable and huge profitable one strategy. No big rocket science. As I always say, I always respect time of people. So you are going to get a great value for money course. You are going to get a great value for time course, and of course you will be really happy after enrolling into this course. So enroll into this strategy and open the doors of success for your Bitcoin, for your crypto trading, intraday trading, okay, whatever pair you want you can do that. Follow up complete course so that you should understand it in a proper way. Thank you so much. Have a good day. See you in the course. God bless you.